Essential oils can truly be considered a gift from nature because they provide natural remedies for minor ailments, body care and beautification, and mood alteration. Essential oils are extracted from plants using steam distillation or solvent extraction of their flowers, stems, barks, roots, and even sap. They contain volatile organic compounds that give them their distinctive aroma. The most common types of essential oils include citrus, lavender, peppermint, rosemary, eucalyptus, tea tree, clary sage, chamomile, jasmine, patchouli, frankincense, bergamot, sandalwood, cedarwood, vetiver, geranium, pine, cypress, and many others. What makes essential oils so special? Well, perhaps it's the fact that they can be found anywhere, as they're grown on farms and naturally grow in the wild. Maybe it's the fact that essential oils provide an abundance of psychological benefits, as well as having the power to calm our spirits. We have even been using essential oils for thousands of years, so maybe it has something to do with the fact that they are firmly rooted in our history. Whatever the case may be, it's clear that they provide a natural method of healing that can't always be replicated with synthetic compounds. Let's look at the unique history of frankincense as one example. The use of frankincense dates back more than 5,000 years. If you're familiar with its biblical reference, frankincense was one of the gifts presented to baby Jesus by the 3 wise men. Would you believe that there was a point in time when the value of frankincense equaled that of gold? It was noted for abundant healing properties, including rejuvenating skin and treating acne, bacterial and fungal infections, wounds and scars. Frankincense was also used as a treatment for arthritis and joint pain. In addition to all of that, frankincense was used to repel mosquitoes, wheat moths, and sandflies. Frankincense is also used in spiritual practices. It's believed that frankincense promotes the body's ability to quiet one's mind, slow breathing rates, and enhance meditation. To think that all of this was found in one single plant. We've already been provided with all that we need for our physical and emotional healing. Many of the ailments we suffer can be attributed to destructive emotions such as stress, fatigue, anger, loneliness, and the like. Our emotional state can lead to physical ailments that we are unsure of how to cure. No matter what your physical condition may be, you can still receive positive benefits from incorporating essential oils into your wellness journey. Aromatherapy can help you to eliminate negative emotions and reach a place of emotional balance to help you deal with any situation that comes your way. While the effects may seem small at first, over time, they may snowball into a newfound energy and a thirst for life. Please note that before starting any aromatherapy regimen, consult your doctor or aromatherapy practitioner. In addition, aromatherapy shouldn't replace medical treatment.